Alright guys, I don't know how well this video will come out, so I may not even use it. I'm sitting over here at the Walmart terminal. The gate's way over there, past the scale. Those little lights way right there. Here's trailers all right here. The main terminal's over there. And so I'm just kind of sitting right here on this little concrete ledge right by this little water, which you can't really see, but there's the grass. The water's right here. Not that long ago, I heard some coyotes out there, you know, making some ruckus. I think they're on this side of the highway that's out there. So they're within maybe a half mile of that fence and the road that's over there. I'm in Cleburne, Texas, so you can kind of look up where I'm talking about. That direction would be south, so that would be east over there, and of course north over here. So it would be east going towards the North Crescent Trail. Okay, and that's over there, so you kind of see what I'm talking about. But I think they're running through this area not that long ago. They were making some noise. I think they got a rabbit or something. They got quite happy a little while ago. I've just been sitting here thinking, enjoying my time. So let me try to set you guys up here. Don't know if you guys would actually be seeing me or not. I'm just kind of setting this up. So if you see me or not, I don't know. It don't really matter. But when you are driving all the time, or you're training, or anything, when you're working out of the house, you gotta make sure you have me time, okay? You know, where you get out of the truck, you sit down, and you relax. And even when you're sitting at a truck terminal, there are some little places like this little, pond right here, which I have no idea how deep it is. But there we go. It's nice to just kind of slow down a little bit. Too many people, they start driving, they don't slow down to enjoy the beauty of things or sounds of nature. I like to. Kind of grounds me a little bit. As you can see, I got trucks right over here. Gates are over this way. But right here, I got coyotes out there. I got the crickets right here. It's nice. It's really nice. I'm hoping to buy some property soon. I kind of talked about it a little bit. Anyone who, has partaken, which is nobody yet, in my Patreon will be more than welcome to come out to my property. Especially when I buy it, do like a little party type thing on it. Something. That'd be kind of nice. Don't know when I'm going to buy it. But I put a little building on it. Have place for my truck to get parked. Maybe build a little shop. Something. This video is kind of random. No real particular topic. mostly. You're just watching me enjoying the weather. Enjoying the quietness. I'm hoping you guys could hear the coyotes. I might do a video for anyone who's not familiar about mountain lions. We do have mountain lions in Texas. We had one over by where my house is. And if you're not from the south or area where there's mountain lions, you could make a pretty big mistake. Very, very easy. I might do a video on that, talking about some of the wildlife that we have here in Texas. Maybe some experiences I've had. I don't know. Something. I'm thinking I might go fishing this week. Fishing would be nice. Get some time to do just this. Drink a beer. Sounds like a country song, don't it? You know, tonight it is just cool enough. If there were some pretty good sized trees right here and I had my hammock on me, man, I've been setting the hammock up, chilling, laying down, but I really wouldn't be able to get too much sleep. We got a load to go do a little bit later on. I might do a live video of us parking. Or not me, but my student. You know, when I first pick up a student, my videos kind of fall off a little bit. I think I've talked about that before. But the first few days, you know, I really concentrate on teaching, not making videos. Making videos takes a lot of time sometimes. Been really concentrating on that. Oh, let's do this. I love science, and physics, and all kinds of stuff. So, let's get a few rocks here. And that's a big one. And let's get some of these little ones right here. Okay. So, you're just kind of like following me right now. This video is so freaking random. I mean, my videos are very raw, unscripted, unplanned, on everything. Even terrible lighting, I don't care. You guys are here for the ride. So, we got some big rocks, like this one. We got some small ones. We got some medium ones. We got all kinds of stuff. Now I wish I had a tripod. I don't have a tripod. Not with me anyway. I wasn't planning on really making this video, and I'm using my cell phone. So let's take this rock and this rock, and I'm going to touch y'all down for a second. There we go. So, small rock, big rock. We got water right down here. So I set it in the back of my hand so that they should fall off very, very evenly. As you see, I got them in a line. Now, the big rock has a higher mass than the smaller rock, of course, because the bigger rock has more mass. There's more rock than the smaller one. Okay, we could see that by observation. I could also tell you that the big rock is pretty significantly heavier. And they're both rocks of about the same, you know, make and type. Okay, you know, I'm not a gemologist here, so whatever. They look the same to me. So I'm going to tilt my hand, and I'm going to be quiet. And I'm going to have to pause this and restart it, because So I hit the 10-minute limit on my phone. I just restarted this. I didn't even know that there was a 10-minute limit on the Note 8. So y'all, if you didn't know there's a 10-minute limit, there's a 10-minute limit. So I'm going to rotate my hand, and these two rocks should fall off fairly even. I'm going to be quiet, and we're going to hear them hit the water. So the reason why I got on top of my hand, yeah, I think I kind of explained that. Anyway, so let's listen. And I guess look, maybe? There we go. Alright. They fell at the same time. Now, we did hear a second plop, but that's because the big rock brought up a bigger amount of a bubble. But, other than that, it was the same. Ooh. Instead of trying to use my hand, I can balance it on my crock. So again, we got two rocks about the exact same level, and I'm going to rotate it to the side, and they should both fall evenly. So again, we heard them fall like that. Now, I got two more rocks. I'm just going to hold them like this because they're small, and we can listen to them hit the water at the same time. So, even if you have two rocks of different mass, like so, okay, big rock, small rock, I'm going to put these really close together, so it should sound like one rock. I've been kind of like separating them out a little bit so we can distinctly hear the two drops of water that fall. But because I'm putting them really close together, it should be just one plop. As you can see, it was one plop. So that goes to the experiment of the bowling ball and a feather. That in absence of air friction, of the feather falling, that both objects will hit the ground at the same time. So, yeah, I think that's really quite interesting. And you can prove that by just playing with different size rocks and dropping them at the same height of different sizes. Now, going back in history, the first time that test was done, I bet it blew some people's minds that the mass of an object doesn't change its rate of fall. Yeah. I just find that really, really cool. They accelerate the same speed. I get myself interested in some weird things sometimes, guys. Truck's going out to the gate. He has to stop over there. He has his one door open because that's a check to make sure it's empty. Pretty self-explanatory, I guess. But this is going to be a long video. It's coming up on 14 minutes now. Oh, I got some kind of bug on me. I don't know what kind of bug it was, but it's gone now. And I guess you're not going to hear any of the coyotes. That kind of sucks. Here's that big rock. I didn't throw it in. I did now. And that's part of the reason why I didn't throw it in, because it was going to do a lot of water splatter. So, I'm done sitting here. I've been here for a while just thinking to myself, so, time for me to go back to my truck. Now, we are in Texas, so you do got to watch out for poisonous snakes. And there wasn't any. So I'm gonna go get this video edited. I don't know, I might get it uploaded tonight or tomorrow. I'm just kind of doing my own thing. Slow down a little bit. Having a little bit of fun. Should have took a shower. Take a shower tomorrow. And then I'll be changing shirts. I've been wearing the same shirt for a minute now. Laundry is basically what it comes down to. When you're a mentor slash student, you don't have a whole lot of room for laundry. So I don't carry a whole lot of laundry because I want my student to be able to have some room on the truck. Some mentors don't do it that way. I do. There's my blue truck right over there. Now, even if you're off duty, always pre-trip your truck when you're walking up to it. You know, I have this thing. I don't care if you're off duty or not. When you're first walking up to the truck, you're always looking for something wrong. Always. I gotta replace that one spring. The one that's closer to this side. I don't like it. It's kind of stretched out. Everything still looks fairly good though. See what I'm talking about though? Spring's a little loose. If you watch this entire video all the way through to, well, now, thank you. Thank you for watching. Always take a little bit of time for yourself. Relax. It's good stuff. Anyway, see you all in the next one. Hit the subscribe button. Later.